How's everybody doing today? It's Moose with M-Tech. Today we're going to be opening up my new Vossen EVO 5R wheels. That's going to be going on my new E63. Vossen made this order happen for me. I'm an authorized dealer for Vossen. Anybody that needs anything for Vossen, let us know. We can definitely take care of you. Did a custom option for this wheel, which has lightning pockets that I kind of did a special request for because I personally wanted my wheels to be lighter than the factory wheel. That way I'm still faster than everybody. So now we're about to cut the tape. We're gonna open them up. These are 21-inch wheels. I decided to go with the gloss, clear, polished look. I'm into clean looks, not too loud. I like the factory attire of my car. And honestly, the wheel is somewhat similar to the factory wheel. But it was one of my favorite choices for this car. And shout out to KJ from Vossen for always taking care of us. He was a little bit of the reason why I chose this wheel as well. He has the same wheel on his car, but he has a Porsche. A lot of straps to cut, a lot of protective covers. As you can tell, Vossen is very precautious whenever they send you anything. You got the wheel covers, you got the foam on the bottom. You guys ready? Sure? And I'm sporting my Vossen watch today. What are the odds? Here we go. Tell me what you guys think. Leave a comment, like, subscribe. Let us know. They're made here in Miami, and if you check the back of the barrel, they come with a serial number. So anybody that wants to try to steal your rim, they better grind that off or something. And then if you see here, it's one of my favorite parts. Made in Miami, Florida, USA. Gotta support the locals. So here we go. Vossen Forge wheels getting installed by our top tire tech. It's a real nerve-wracking moment right here, because he knows if he scratches it, he did it.
I did it this time.
Shout out to Hunter. We're using our Hunter tire machine here. And then next we're going to use our Hunter road force balance machine. We're going to make sure we give this tire a good road force balance for a nice smooth ride. Look at that. Look at that. Look at the steady hand this guy's got. Look at how he just spins the brush, huh? I wonder how that brush got so much mileage.
A lot of wear and tear.
You can't just put him on dry fit, you know? She wouldn't like that.
This ain't Nike.
Engineered for Mercedes AMG E63s, Vossen Forged EVO Series wheels. Made in Miami, Florida for M-Tech Performance.